If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, here's how any YouTuber can start making money online, and you can actually start doing this today. So most YouTubers want to make money. That's just a fact, right? Look at all the videos on there about how to make money as a YouTuber. It's thousands of them, right? So I'm about to share with you something that you can start today that can start putting money in your pocket. Now, you do not have to have a monetized YouTube channel to make this happen. You don't need it at all. So you could be a completely new YouTuber, or you could be, a YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter, because this can make you money. And what I'm talking about is becoming a Live Good affiliate. All right. Now, if you're not familiar with what Live Good is, it's one of the hottest online business opportunities out there. Thousands of people are joining Live Good, and a lot of people are making money with Live Good. Now, why do I say use Live Good, right? Because Live Good, the Live Good opportunity, appeals to the masses. So why does it appeal to the masses? Because it is a online business opportunity, make money opportunity, plus the products that they currently have and that they're gonna have are gonna be products and services that appeal to a lot of people. So how do you get started with Live Good? The first thing you need to do is become a Live Good affiliate. All right, now to become an affiliate, all you have to do is pay a one-time $40 fee, right? And that just says, hey, I want to be a Live Good affiliate. I want to actually earn money from Live Good. Now, after that, you actually pay only $9.95. We'll just call it $10 a month membership fee. That is it, $10 a month to have access to the Live Good discounted products, as well as to keep your spot as an affiliate. All right. So basically, you're going to have your own business for $10 a month. So once you get all signed up, you're going to log into your Live Good back office. You're going to click on where it says My Websites. It'll be on your left-hand side. Then you're going to see an affiliate link where it says My Live Good Tour page. That is the link. That is the link that you're going to want to put in the description of all of your YouTube videos. Now you have that link, right? So what you want to do now is create a very short intro, all right, talking about Live Good, very similar to what I did in this video that you're watching. All right, so you want to do something, you can do it two ways in my opinion. One, you can keep it very generic and just say, hey, if you are looking for a great opportunity to start bringing in an extra income, be sure to check the link in the description, right? You could do that, or you could even cater it to more of your channel. So if it's like a bowling channel, you can say, hey, you want to look for a way to earn money so you can pay for all of your bowling equipment? If so, check out the link in the description. Like, you could do stuff like that, right? So you're going to shoot a very short, simple intro video. You save that little intro and you're going to put it at the beginning of all of your YouTube videos. All right, put it at the very beginning, or you could even put it in the middle of your video. So like in the middle of your video, kind of like how YouTube does those interruption ads, you could do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? You could do the same thing. Remember, you're your own boss. All right. So in the middle of the video, maybe at the 3-4 minute mark, boom, you could put that little, clip in there. I would say you could put it at the end, but you know how YouTube is. A lot of people don't even make it to the end of your video. So I would recommend putting it at the very beginning. If not that, put it in the middle of your video, right? Now you would notice you will start getting traffic to your Live Good tour page. And the key is you want to send people to that Live Good tour page, because it does all of the promoting for you. It does all of the selling for you. Now, how is this beneficial to you as a YouTuber? It is crazy. All right. Trust me when I tell you, the earning potential of Live Good is absolutely bananas. Trust me when I tell you. And if you want all of the details, all you need to do is click that first link in the description yourself and watch the 5-minute tour. It explains everything. But believe me when I tell you that being a Live Good affiliate can make you a lot of money from your YouTube channel.